Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the double overpass in 3 miles, Kingston, Jamaica. Now this overpass, we are on Hagley Park Road, and this overpass goes over the intersection of Hagley Park Road and Spanish Town Road. And that intersection is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So that's why this double overpass was built. We are on the top road, which is Hagley Park Road. The road below it is Spanish Town Road, and then below the Spanish Town Road overpass, and below that overpass is the original ground level or the original intersection. So this is a major intersection in Jamaica, and we're on Hagley Park Road, and Hagley Park Road will take us from Spanish Town Road up to Halfway Tree, and Halfway Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica, and Spanish Town Road has a large population. A lot of communities, neighborhoods, homes are off Spanish Town Road, so it's a very busy intersection. Also, if you want to get to the wharf in Jamaica and the Kingston Container Terminal, it's the largest port in Jamaica, and that also helps to make this intersection so busy. If you're coming in from Portmore, you would come over you'd pass through this intersection. If you're trying to get to downtown Kingston, this is one of the major roads you could take, this intersection. Alright, so we're just going to spin back around and take a look at the ground level of the intersection, the original road before which could I say the ground level of the overpass. Remember, it's a double overpass, so the top road is the Hagley Park Road overpass. The road below it is the Spanish Town Road overpass, and then below the Spanish Town Road overpass is the ground level, which is the original intersection. So that's what we're going to look at now, the original intersection. But I must say the government has done an excellent job in building this overpass. It was built by China Harbour Engineering Company, and they also did a very good job. But this overpass was needed. Sometimes you'd be at the intersection for 20 minutes, 30 minutes sometimes, depending on traffic, because you had the indisciplined drivers who don't want to wait, so they would just cut, and it was chaos. There were stoplights there, but utter chaos. So this has definitely helped, and I must say a very good job to the government, whichever government was in power at the time. It's one of the two, I don't know, and we're not a political channel, so we're not going to say this party or that party built it. We just say the government of Jamaica, whichever one was there at the time, did an excellent job. This is the okay, so straight ahead, that's the higher of the two overpasses. And then where you see that car, the other intersection, that road above it is the Spanish Town Road overpass. So this is actually a very nice view. You can see both overpasses. Today is a Sunday, so this area is not that busy, but during the week, especially when the wharf is open, it's a very busy area. Okay, so this is straight ahead now, that's the Spanish Town Road overpass, and then above it you can see the Hagley Park Road overpass. And we are on the ground level, so this is the actual intersection. So if we were to turn right here, we'd go onto Spanish Town Road. Turn left, we go onto Spanish Town Road. Go straight, we would stay on Hagley Park Road. That's the Hunts Bay Police Station on the left. And also in this area have a very large manufacturing industry. A lot of warehouses, manufacturing plants. Okay, we used to be able to turn around here, but we can't. I'm going to turn here. As you can see, a lot of manufacturing plants, a lot of warehouses. That's a JUTC depot on the right. Alright, so we're back on to Spanish Town Road now. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.